Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can install and add the Google Tasksboard extension to the Google Chrome browser to access your boards, tasks and lists on Tasksboard. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to Google Chrome and there are three ways how you can use Google Tasks. Option number one, you install the application and use it on your device. Option number two, you head over to Google Tasks. Look, for example, for it on Google search, type in Google Tasks. And here, guys, you will see that entry at the bottom, Google Tasksboard. That is going to direct you to this overview. And here, simply log into your Google account to access your tasks and boards. And option number three, you can use Tasksboard or Google Tasks also as a Chrome extension. To do that, what you will need to do, guys, is simply click into that gear icon here in the top right, settings, and select the second uppermost option, install Chrome extension. So let me do that for the sake of this tutorial. That is going to redirect you to the Chrome Web Store and to the extensions tab and already to the app page here for Google Tasks. So all you need to do, guys, as you can see, I haven't done that yet either, so I will do it for you for demonstration purposes. Click into add to Chrome here. After that, confirm by clicking into this button. Wait for Tasksboard to be added to extensions, and as you can see, let me just click off that or close that window. If I click into extensions here, you will see that a desktop app for Google Tasks has been added, so you can pin it to your extension tab here, and that way access it directly here to the right. And from there you can navigate through your tasks, create new ones, and basically organize and manage your account here on Tasksboard through that panel to the right, while being, as you can see, on another site. So you don't have to be on Tasksboard, but you can still access your board's tasks here to the right, guys. And that's how it works. Let me just close it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.